Hey guys, I'm Shamsing and you're watching Tech AtoZ, and as you can see I'm sitting with these cabinet fans and this CPU cooler for which I have give you unboxing very recently. I wanted to do an experiment with these fans because my cabinet has right now 3 fans, 2 intake fans on the front side which takes air from outside to inside, and 1 exhaust fan on the rear side. As you can see, it's exhaust fan, so it will take air from inside and throw it outside. But there's 2 spare slot on the upper side of cabinet. 2 120mm fans can be installed there, so I bought these fans. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the temperatures for this PC, this CPU, GPU and motherboard's temperatures in idle state and with very heavy workload while running benchmarks, and then I'll install these fans one by one. First I will install one fan and then another, and I'll see what difference these fans make, what will be the temperatures without these fans and with one fan and with 2 fans. So I think let's get started. As you can see, I have already opened ASUS AI Suite and here are the temperatures. CPU is sitting at 37 degrees Celsius and motherboard is at 42 degrees Celsius, and right now it's in idle state. Let's quickly check the GPU temperatures as well. As you can see, at 70% fan speed, it's showing 41 to 42 degrees Celsius temperature. So let's start the stress test. Okay, so I'm running Prime 95 and it's running since almost 10 minutes I think. And CPU temperatures are at 74 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it's going up to 75, but mostly it's 74 degrees Celsius. And motherboard temperature is sitting at 47 degrees Celsius. You should also know that it's night time and ambient temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, but in afternoon it goes up to around 34, 35, 37 degrees Celsius. Now let's stress the GPU. So earlier when I was testing GPU temperature at idle, I kept the fan speed at 70%. It is not normal speed, but when I put heavy load on GPU, I manually fix the fan speed at 70% to keep the good balance of fan noise and GPU temperature. That's why I thought that it will only be fair to take idle temperatures also at 70% fan speed. Now I'm gonna run Heaven benchmark. At this side you can see GPU is running at its full capacity. So now stress test is running from almost 12 minutes and GPU temperature has reached 77 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it's going up to 78, but mostly it's sitting around 77 degrees Celsius. And I'm testing GPU temperatures because fans will blow air from upside to downwards, and I thought it may possibly affect the GPU too. Okay, let's shut it down and install the fan, then test again. I'm going to install the fans up here. You can see these empty slots. Okay, it's installed, and I will also insert a footage from before installing the fans so you can see the difference. So I have started PC after installing fans, and right now at idle CPU temperature is at 34 degrees Celsius and motherboard temperature is around 38 to 39 degrees Celsius, but mostly it's at 38 degrees Celsius. And let me remind you that without these new fans, at idle CPU temperature was 37 degrees Celsius and motherboard temperature was at 42 degrees Celsius. So CPU temperature went down 3 degrees Celsius and motherboard temperature went down 4 degrees Celsius, though I'm more curious about temperature difference on load. Let's quickly check the GPU temperatures on idle. Okay, at same 70% fan speed, it's now around 38 to 39 degrees Celsius, and earlier it was 41 degrees Celsius, so it is not much difference. Although one thing we all must notice that since the start of the testing, ambient temperature has went down 2 degrees Celsius, and even though it has virtually no effect on PC, but I'll consider 1 degree Celsius difference was due to ambient temperature, so I'll add 1 degree Celsius in every temperature measurement I have taken after installing the fan. It is now 35 degrees Celsius for CPU after adding that, and 39 degrees Celsius for motherboard and 40 degrees Celsius for GPU. So CPU temperature went down 2 degrees Celsius, motherboard temperature went down 3 degrees Celsius, and change in GPU temperature is negligible, it's like 1 degree Celsius. But as I was doing this, GPU temperature came further down, it's now 37 degrees Celsius. So after adding 1 degree Celsius to compensate ambient temperature, it is now 38 degrees Celsius. So that means it is now a difference of around 3 degrees Celsius. So now let's start the stress test. Okay, now I've been running Prime 95 since 15 minutes and CPU temperature is around 70 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it goes down 69 and sometimes it goes up to 71 degrees Celsius, but usually it is staying at 70 degrees Celsius. And motherboard is sitting at 44 degrees Celsius since almost 10 minutes. After adding 1 degree Celsius for ambient temperature, it is 71 degrees Celsius for CPU and 45 degrees Celsius for motherboard. When I had tested it without those fans, it was around 74 degrees Celsius for CPU, if you remember, and 47 degrees Celsius for motherboard. So CPU temperature came down 3 degrees Celsius and motherboard temperature came down 2 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah. So let's test the GPU. As you can see, GPU is running at full speed. So Hammond benchmark has been running since 20 minutes now, and as you can see, temperature is sitting around 74 degrees Celsius, and after adding 1 degree Celsius, it's 75 now. Before it was around 77 to 78 degrees Celsius. So this is also a dip of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. So yeah, this was the whole testing, the little experiment that I did. But since I got 2 to 3 degrees Celsius temperature change from this 860 rupees fan combo, now I have very high expectations for my Hyper 212 cooler, Hyper 212 LED cooler, for which I have given you the unboxing. You can watch in cards. You can go click I button wherever it is in the corner. So if you didn't see that video already, of course, okay, maybe I'll install that cooler tomorrow. Of course, you will get the video. And again, if you want to buy these fans, I will give you the links in description, both eBay link that I bought it from eBay if you don't know. So I will give you eBay link, and I will also give you the Amazon links. On Amazon, it's 20 to 30 rupees higher priced. So it's not that high. You can buy it. So if you'll buy from the links in the description, you will give some kickback to me for this channel. So if you like this video, please press like button, and if you disliked it, you can of course dislike it. But why did you dislike it? You can answer that question in the comment section. And really, if you dislike this video for some reason, please drop your reason in the comment section so I can improve that in the another video or upcoming videos. And you can share this video all across your social media, so anybody who wants the help with these fans or orientation of fans, they can get the help. And most important thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel. You know how to subscribe. There's a subscribe button under this video, below this video. Go press there. And okay, if you already subscribed, don't press that, you will get unsubscribed. So you can subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And if you don't want to do all those hassle, there's icon of my channel. You can go there and subscribe from here. And if you want to watch my videos in Hindi, you can subscribe this channel. This is my Hindi channel. Give some love to this one too. And there are some videos, I think 2 videos here, one here and one here or here. So you can watch this video too. These are great videos. I really hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck. Thank you.